everyone, this is Kit Model Guy. This is my second finished kit for 2014, my third kit ever completed, but anyway, it's the Polar Lights reissue of the Aurora Wolfman kit. I really love these movies and really enjoyed doing this one. Wolfman has always been one of my favorite movies. Just love the character, all versions of it basically, but especially the Lon Chaney version, the old one. Wish this one looked a lot more like it, but still looks good. Did some detailing, a lot of dry brushing. Here's some of the detail of the fur and such. You can see how the painting is. It's pretty well detailed, I think. Put lots of color to dry brush it in. Seams aren't too bad. They would like one a little bit better on them, but this is the first time I tried this. Tried the figure kit for a lot of years, but I've got a few more to do. So we'll be getting around to them. But anyway, hope you like it. Please let me know what you think. Rate, comment, subscribe. And we'll see you the next time. Keep building some styrene and let's have some fun. Thanks.
Jugular. Is that the way Jenny Williams was killed?
Yes. Find something?
Animal tracks.
Whoever is bitten by a werewolf and lives becomes a werewolf himself.